Hello, this is Nevis again, and now I'm here doing the last activity for week 3, and this activity involves ElevenLabs audio chatbot. So I followed all the instructions and I watched the full 10-minute video, which was fantastic. I took some notes, so hopefully I won't get this wrong. Now I'm going to begin by chatting first with the assistant, and then I'm going to ask the assistant how to actually create my own ElevenLabs bot and take it from there. I'm going to record the whole process, so just bear with me and we'll go through this together.
Hi, I'm Nellie. I understand that you want to build your own bot using ElevenLabs. I'm here to help you enable audio and ask as many questions as you wish by voice.
Hi, Nellie.
Hello.
Thank you for introducing yourself and letting me know. Yes, I do want to create a bot for my course. Can you help me out?
I can certainly help you with that. I'm ready to assist you in creating a bot for your course using ElevenLabs. Please feel free to ask any questions you have, and I will do my best to provide you with the information you need. Let's get started.
Thank you, Nellie. Let's get started then.
I'm excited to help you. To begin, do you have any specific questions about creating your bot using ElevenLabs? For example, are you wondering about voice cloning, API integration, or other aspects? Let me know what you'd like to focus on first.
Voice cloning sounds rather interesting. Can you explain how that happens?
Voice cloning is an interesting aspect of ElevenLabs. It involves creating a digital replica of a voice. You typically provide audio samples of the voice you want to clone, and the system analyzes them to learn the unique characteristics of that voice. Then you can use the cloned voice to generate speech from text.
Wow, that almost sounds quite scary, but it's interesting. I'd like to try that. But before I try that, I need to create a bot for my course that will communicate with my students. How can you help me with that?
I can definitely help you with that. To create a bot for your course, we can start by outlining the bot's purpose and functionality. What specific tasks do you want the bot to perform for your students? For example, will it answer questions, provide course updates, or offer interactive quizzes? Once we define the bot's role, we can explore how to integrate ElevenLabs for voice generation.
Okay, what I want it for my students is to give them a bot to reflect on the performance or the challenges that they came across during the course. So this would be ideally at the end of the course, where the chatbot would be asking them questions about the relative course and how they felt, how the students felt about it. So a type of reflection tool.
That's a great idea. A reflection toolbot can be very helpful for your students. We can design the bot to ask specific questions about their experience, such as what they found most challenging, what they enjoyed, and what suggestions they have for improvement. We can then use ElevenLabs to give the bot a voice, making the interaction more engaging.
Perfect. I think you have it down to a T. So where do I begin?
To begin, let's outline the questions the bot will ask. We need to determine the specific topics for reflection. Then we can create the script for the bot's dialogue, including the questions and any introductory or concluding remarks. After that, we can explore how to integrate ElevenLabs to give the bot a voice, making the interaction more engaging.
Okay, well, my course involves a 5-week course for students that will be studying or improving their business English skills. The students are already a B2 English level, so we need to focus on how they worked through the process of their business English skills by learning the different topics that we covered, like emails, effective communication, meetings, presentations, general correspondence, and reports and documentation.
Okay, that's a very helpful overview of your course. Based on your course content, we can design the reflection questions around those key areas: emails, effective communication, meetings, presentations, general correspondence, and reports and documentation. We can also include questions about their overall experience, such as what they found most challenging.
I think we've discovered what the agent can do at this point. Rather than just have a new call and start off again, I'm going to close this video at this point, because now I'm going to spend some time learning how to actually create my own AI agent using ElevenLabs and cloning my own voice, which may be interesting or not. I don't know. It does sound a bit scary. However, I hope you enjoyed this. This is Neva signing off till next time. Thank you for listening.